Okay, this is my... I screwed up my intro! Okay guys, this is Michael Daharu playing Motocross Madness, and last time I unlocked a track in Iceland and got the gold, and unlocked the final track in Australia. So let's do that, shall we? Let's move on down. It's Oceanside Park. Jeremy Saunders at 5:28. Let's see if I can beat that. And let's see if I can level up and maybe earn something. This track I have seen before, not gonna lie. I did play some multiplayer online levels, and so I'm not going into this level blind. But I still am gonna screw up one way or another. That's just apparent. Let's see, there's Olaf Bjornsson. Hey Olaf, how's it going? And then we got Mick Turnbull. He's cool, he reminds me of somebody. That's Lance Coburn over there, and then there's me. Me in my Raiden hat and golden microphone suit. And then there's Rachel Kimber. How you doing there, Rachel? And there's Rex. I think we met him yesterday. Roderick Rod Finch there. And Helmet Guy, Ricky Gibson. Okay. Now I am ready. Let's go. Okay. So apparently I have to hit the LB or RB buttons to attack. And that was a nice one. Alright, let's see. Oh man, I missed a huge ramp there. Hey Mick, how's it going? I'm gonna do a backflip. Okay, you still okay. Whoa, hello. And let's see what I can do here. Okay. This is gonna be, let's see, I don't want to get those coins. I actually want to maintain my lead here. If I can help it. I might not be able to. This ramp usually gives me troubles because every time I do a trick off of it, it makes me go off course. Okay, well that didn't happen this time. That's why. Wow. Okay. Shortcut! Okay, got me 5 coins. A little bit of boost here. And whoa! Double backflips. Okay. Alright, I'm at full boost. That means I can pull off a B trick if I'm lucky. Yeah, if I'm lucky. Can I make that ramp? Liquid sword! I didn't even notice that there's a kung fu sound effects when I do a liquid sword trick. That was... that was pretty neat. Anyway, let's see if I can do another trick. Okay. Bad laughter. Rodeo. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Okay. Okay, I'll flip it. Yeah. Now this has a ramp. Let's see how many tricks I can pull off. I think I may have just missed a shortcut. Yeah, according to the mini-map, I did miss a shortcut. Okay, good sword. Okay. So, oh, I don't want to get in the water. Come on. Alright, got me some drift. Someone else is taking the lead. What the fudge? Okay, I'm in 3rd place. It looked like I was in 8th for a second. Probably did say that I was in 8th for a second, so... Spin Doctor! Okay. Shoot! Well, I did get a coin out of it, so it ain't all that bad. That got me a wheelie. Got me another coin. Well, let's see. Let's do a couple of flips. And another one. Oh! That was... I bit off more than I could chew, as someone would say. I don't know if it would be somebody sane, but let's see if I can regain my lead, as it were. I notice I say "as it were" a lot. I can't help it. I apologize. Let's see. Okay, whip it good. Double backflip. Are you spraying water at me, or is that not water? What is that? What is that? Is sewage that is being sprayed at me? Whee! Okay, I'm gonna get some coins. Well, I got one. Go me! Okay. Now I noticed there's a shortcut here. Okay, I see it. I see it now. Haha! But was it worth it? I don't think it is. Whoa! Hello! Didn't expect that, actually. Yeah, well, I'm in... Whoa! Hello! I've somehow gained my lead back. That is always awesome. Okay. Let's see if I can... Okay, I don't wanna... Okay. I know the gimmick. I like the gimmick. Okay. Oh no, my mind drifted off there for a second. Somebody was talking about a certain level on A2XT that was extremely difficult, and well, you'll find out once Round Count plays it. But that is going to be maybe next week, probably, given his pattern. Okay, I think I'm gonna wreck. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, okay. Managed to get through that. Okay, it's rodeo clown time, and okay. Then I thought I was going to bail, but I didn't. And here we go. Okay, 542. Good. Okay. Well, I've got gold, so that's always awesome. Having a sip of water here, sorry. I can only hear half of what that announcer says. Anyway, let's see. Woo! 4,500 and 340 because of the coins I collected. And let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I became a star through Avatar Fame Star, so I got like 10% bonus XP. And I've leveled up. Let's see. It doesn't look like I've unlocked anything. Oh, wait! Never mind. Uber flips. Flipping like there's no tomorrow. We're going to have to check that out next time. And unlocked Fire and Ice. New Iceland track. That's going to be blind. And I've unlocked the Patriot. On your feet, soldier. And the cowboy hat. It looks okay. It looks kind of like Crocodile Dundee's hat. Who knows? I haven't seen Crocodile Dundee since it came out. In the 80s. God, I'm old. Anyway, that's going to do it for me. Until next time, this is Michael Daharo, and remember that there's somebody out there who cares about you. So, think about that. Alright? You take care. Till next time.